welcome to the basics of how Binance platform works. We're using the web interface for now. Last week we did our trade, and I must say I got a bit nervous, and I hit the exit at when Bitcoin hit 9,200. So not as much profit, but still in profit. As you can see, earlier, what was last night, our time when Bitcoin hit the 9,500, so I should have probably stayed in longer. I did another little transfer of a tiny amount of Ethereum, and I want to buy SXP today. So what I noticed in searching for SXP is that it doesn't seem to have an Ethereum pair. So that basically means we have to go search for BTC. Hopefully it's going to allow me to buy the small amount of BTC. And I'm not sure I showed exactly how pricing works, but we can always see the amount of ETH there that people are selling, and as the price is moving up and down, the orders that are going. So if I choose that one, that person is selling 6 ETH at the price of 27875 versus Bitcoin. If I want to quickly make my transaction go through, I can just select that price, it will add it in there, and just sell 100% of ETH will give me that amount of BTC. Let's see if it goes through. There we go. Fold as well. Now I need to go back and look for SXP again. That's why I like trading the alt pairs and against BTC and ETH, is that it doesn't have the $10 limit which Tether seems to have. So in this case, I'll probably only get about one. Yes, there we go. And if I'm buying, I can once again choose that price. It's not going to give me any extra, so I'm going to buy one. We'll buy our one little SXP, and that has not gone through yet, so let's cancel again. I wanted to go immediately. If I'm buying, I must take it from somebody that is selling. And we're buying. There we go. Fold. And I got 0.999. I don't know. It takes a bit of portion. I should have taken 1 point something. We got the spot wallets now. We can see our swipe token is there. What I'm also going to do for this account is that we are going to use the $20, and we can see how much we can grow from next week onwards. I will use the futures account. So for now, I'm going to transfer Okay, now unfortunately, to do margin trading, one has to have a KYC account, and this one isn't one. This is purely for testing. So let's see if we can get it activated. Because obviously I can't. Let's say miracles happen. So let's go and try that transfer again. To transfer spot account till I don't want to use the max amount, I don't want to put it in. So in our futures account now we will have $20. Okay, so right now the market isn't there for me to trade any trade that I want to put on. I just wanted to show how to move funds around within Binance. It can be formidable with all these things around here. It is, but I generally know what I want to do before I go in, and I suggest that we probably stick to doing the same things. Anyway, that's it for me. Thanks.